proceed to the very highlight of this celebration, the blowing of candles. Make it louder! Happy birthday to you! Everybody clap your hands! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Marilang Marisan yung mas malakas! At mas mabilis naman! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Everybody say happy birthday, Amari, in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and happy birthday, Amari! Yay! Now make a wish and blow your candle. Happy birthday to Alright, for this time, pakinggan naman natin ang anong wish ko?
Well, prayer and wishes na you'll always be a good boy and you will always listen to mommy, you will always obey, and ano pa? Basta I wish that you will grow as so what God has called you to be, Ana. Yan lang. I love you so much.
Wish ko kaya Maria, lumaki siyang disiplinado, may takot sa Diyos, lahat ng gusto niya nangyari sa buhay niya, align to your word. And lagi siyang stay healthy, and marami siyang, lumakip siyang disiplinado, at mapagmahal sa magulang sa mga kaibigan niya. Happy birthday, Ana. I love you.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Mommy and Daddy, for your birthday gift. Ay, napakahina naman po nun. Kamot ulo si Jollibee. Okay, isa pa. Sige na, Jollibee, pagbigyan mo na. Isa pa yung mas malakas pa po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang po. Dahil 4 lang ang daliri ni best friend Jollibee. 4 birthday wishes para kay Amari. Kaya naman ang kanyang first wish for Amari is that he grow up na. Wow! Maging matalino at maabot ang kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay at wow! Malayo ang marating! Yan ang first wish ni best friend Jollibee! Yes! Okay, ano naman kaya ang kanyang second wish? Ang second wish for Amari is that he grow up na uy! Pogi! At macho! At may busog. Katulad ni Noni, Daddy. Yan ang second wish ni best friend Jollibee. Wow, may masahe pang kasama. Okay, how about your third wish, best friend Jollibee? Your third wish for Mary is that he grow up na maging mapera at mapagbigay sa kanyang kapwa katulad ni Mommy and ni Daddy. Yan ang third wish ni best friend Jollibee. Yan, nagmano pa. Grabe ka na talaga, Jollibee. Okay, at para sa kanyang fourth and final wish for Amari is that he grow up na to always be happy, just like your best friend, Jollibee! Yay! Thank you so much, Jollibee, for that